terms in an AP. The formula is, suppose the formula is like this, A T1, T2, T3, like that Tn is there. So this is the last term, this is first term. Okay, the formula is number of terms. N formula is equal to last term, this is not there in your book, minus first term by common difference D plus 1 bracket if both the end terms are included. If both end points terms are included. Clear? That is L minus A by D plus 1. Another formula, N is equal to same L plus minus A by D minus 1 if both end terms are not included. Okay, clear? Last formula, I'll erase. All of the copied means top part I'll erase and I'll write. N is equal to only L minus A by D if any one term, any one of the n terms are included. Just to let us know. First one, if both the terms are, suppose I'll write 2, 4, 6 and up to 28 I wrote. First and last included. Then L minus A, last term minus first term by D, common difference D plus 1. If any one is not included, both are ignored, not required, then I'll tell L minus A by D plus 1, minus 1. If any one of these two is included, then L minus A by D only, no plus 1, no minus 1. Okay, clear? This is not there in your book, just to remember it. Okay. Now suppose sometimes it will come the question, the first term of a 3 terms of an AP is like this, 4 terms of a AP is like this. Then how will write? Suppose 3 terms, you have to consideration. 3 terms. Always you have to consider. Generally you will consider like that A plus D, A plus 2D. I said 3 terms means you may take like this. Yes or no? But in spite of taking this way, you take this way. What it says? A minus D, A plus D. This will consider, it will help you to operate the solve the problems easily. This is also common difference, A minus A plus D, D difference, A plus D minus A, D, common difference same only. So you can take like this. Suppose 4 terms given, first order 4 terms given. At that case you will take this one, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. Got it? Okay. Suppose 5 terms are given, then we'll take A plus A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. This is the way. More it is not required. 6 asked means 5D plus 5D minus 5D, A minus 5D, A plus 5D will added. 7th asked here minus 3D, here plus 3D will added, A plus 3D. So that is not required. Up to 3 or 4 term only it will come. Just this is the when we have to consider 3 terms, 4 terms, 5 terms, it is like this. You have to copy it.